Today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Out of Control Teens Give Cops 6 Minutes of Pure Chaos.
On April 14, 2024, officers responded to a call of a large group of teenagers fighting in the street.
Let it go, you got one.
I'll pepper spray. I'll pepper spray. Yeah. Hey, everybody leave right now. Right now, leave. Hey, boy, hey, you wanna walk, boy? Try to act hard if you want. Hey, try to act hard if you want. Hey, you ain't a girl. I'll put my hands up. You heard what I said, leave.
Get them together. Act hard if you want.
Last swear, he don't got shit to do with it.
Get her together. Get her together. Ooh. Watch out. Y'all better back up. Oh, my boy getting her together, boy.
Watch out.
You think you can hit the officer and they ain't gonna put the handcuffs on you? Okay.
Hey, watch out.
Bro, get up off of me. Oh my God, get off me. Bro. I'm not going in the car. I'm not going in the car.
Okay, let's go deal with the guy.
Take you out, you get you. I swear it's weird, bro. Oh, y'all weird. Weird.
Get in the car with your family and go ahead and release.
So is he just detained or what's up? I'll tell you in a little bit.
Well, listen though. Okay.
Call 577.
This is what I say. On the sidewalk, the internet broke out. Yeah, but that's cool. She got this for me. Yeah, that's cool. It's no big deal. He was talking to me with one of them.
Is everybody that needs to be in custody?
Well, no, I mean, well, for now. Yeah. Okay.
Uh-oh, the next one up. Oh,
Take a step back now.
I don't care about no police.
oh, okay. Now we get it. Now we starting to get to an understanding. Now I understand why the kids act the way they do. These are the role models. Okay, now we getting somewhere. Because I'm like, damn, what's going on with these kids? Why they acting like this? But now we see why. Let's see how the adults act in the situation. Look at this. Oh, boy.
Well, for now. Yeah. Okay.
I don't buy my chair. I don't. I don't give a bitch buy my chair. I don't give
Take a step back now.
Well, I don't care about no police. I don't care. Okay. You don't care?
Oh, you don't care? Get her together. Get her together. You don't care? You're not going to get her together.
I ain't did shit because I just said.
Nah.
I backed up.
You took a threatening stance towards the cops. Get her together.
Get my phone. Get my phone.
Who next? Who next? Uh-oh. I think we got one.
I ain't even touch you. You want it.
Watch out.
Uh-oh. She next.
Y'all stop.
Get in the car.
You going too. We all going. We all going. Come on. Let's go. Let's all go.
Ooh, wee.
Let's all go. I know. Let's all go. Hey, she's going for battery on Leo. For sure. Car battery on Leo. We need another car.
Don't worry about it. Look at me. Give it out, Tyrone. Calm down. Give it out. Give me an hour. Get booked.
Where's your car?
You get booked in. Out, stop. Get booked in.
Anybody going to shoot one?
Oh, hold up.
Stop all that.
You want to act like a big girl? Okay. You gonna go where the big girls go when they act up. Get her together. Who next?
That's a minor though. That's a minor. You what you mean was give a shit? That's a minor.
Wait, hold on. He next?
Get back. I ain't worried about that. I'm a lawyer. You can't.
No, they came in the bingo hall when we played bingo. All those kids ran in the bingo hall. And I would have told Sade, her daughter came in bingo hall. They came in the bingo hall.
Listen.
It's my sister detained at this time. My sister in the back of that car.
She's going to jail right now for resisting.
She's
That's fine.
She swung on me. So they don't come out. Hey, listen, I try to deal with y'all. I let y'all do what y'all gotta do. Leave. But when y'all start coming here with an ass like this, she going.
She was out of control, but we just getting into a situation.
Because as soon as when she comes up, she starts walking towards us saying she don't give a.
That's new.
No, that's old.
But
That's from this morning.
she on me, sir.
All right, listen.
We just upset. We just getting the insurance deal on our phone. We got to do 100.
And she's told to leave, and she's just continuing to escalate everything.
Right.
So she's gonna go for a resisting charge right now.
I don't know if you caught this, right? You know, and I know I'm pausing it a lot, this video, but this right here, this has to be dissected. I'm telling you, this right here, this gotta be dissected because we are watching generations of trauma going on around this motherfucker, okay? The parents is acting like the apples don't fall far from the tree. The ignorance that's going on here. Now, this lady right here, right? This one that's facing the camera with the little red slit or whatever, right? The black dress. You see her demeanor? She real calm, cool, collected. Now, but she wasn't like that when she was behind her sister, because her sister is the one who came hooting and hollering along with her when the parents arrived, right? So hold on, I'm gonna run it back real quick. I'm gonna run it back real quick, and then I'm gonna put it back to now. Watch the lady that's behind her. Now remember, she calm, cool, collected. Now she got her act together. This one, but look how she was acting though. Watch her behind. Look.
Take a step back now.
I don't care about no police.
We don't care about none of that.
Okay. You don't care?
Yeah. Okay. So she was acting all, big and bad with her sister. She was acting big and bad along with her sister. But she really a scaredy cat, okay? It sound good. You know, she trying to represent, put on a good front, you know, for everybody, act tough. But she really not built like that. The other one, she built like that. You know what I'm saying? She going to jail. She want to hoot and holler. Okay. This one here, though, she just one of them that's all talk, all bark, no bite. She got her act together. She like, oh, yeah, nah, hold on. I was hooting and hollering, but this ain't worth me going to jail. Oh, no, I'm good.
Right.
So she's gonna go for a resistance charge right now.
Boss man, stay away from the car.
Oh, bro, you can leave me alone here.
Sorry, it wouldn't hurt to have the others continue expedited.
She go, I'm taking her. But in my backseat, I may let go, depending on how you act.
Yeah.
She going for sure. She swung me. She punched me. She hit you going in your backseat.
Okay.
So you got two. Where did you get hit? Right hand in the face. Okay. So her right there.
Where did you get hit?
In my purse.
I got a whole house. Everybody locked up. I got Keanu. I got St. Augustine. I got two over here in the county. As if this shit ain't good enough.
I'm gonna cut him loose.
Hey, wait.
Bro, these guys tight.
Don't just you hang out and chill
I don't care, bro. This is me. No, bro, you weird. I should spit in your face right now.
I just want to see what's going on. You want to take me to jail? I didn't touch you or nobody. I just want to see what's going on. I ain't come to fight nobody, sir. I ain't no fighter.
Are you okay? I'm fine, thank you. Like I said, my daughters want to fight, but we were at the bingo hall. These kids ran up in the bingo. It's a bunch of open. They ran up in the bingo hall. We made them leave, and they stayed in the field and waited. So that's what happened with that. Okay. But I apologize for my daughter's behavior, but she stopped when they said stop. So I took her home. Well, parents gonna be parents. They younger parents here, and I understand. Yeah. But I understand that. Yes, ma'am. Don't worry about your arm, but no, I'm good. Thank you.
I didn't hit you. I didn't hit nobody. I didn't come here to fight. I'm coming to see what's going on. Because every time they leave this house, it's something. So I was coming to see what is going on. What did y'all do?
Well, they keep them in the house.
I wasn't worrying about them. I'm worrying about mine because I'm trying to figure out what did y'all do for these people to fight y'all. That's all I'm saying to them, sir. I don't fight children. I don't put my hands on people's kids. No. What's going on?
Come on, let's go.
I'm not playing with you. Shut your mouth there. Shut it. Say, I gotta date that. Let's go. All right,
That should always be causing problems.
Get on the job, yes.
56 at the U.S. bookstore right there at 39th and Walden.
Okay. Hey, Stever, you at bookstore right before Grace.
I was worrying about her because I know what my child capable of doing. So that's why I was coming to ask her, what did you do for these people and their mama to come? That's all I was saying, sir. I ain't finna fight no children. Oh no, I don't play like that. I don't.
What's your first name?
Turn your back towards me. I'll fix your calls. Turn your back towards me. I'll fix your calls.
Bro, can somebody call my mammy?
Yes, give me 1 second, okay?
Bro, can you tell one of them come here so I can my face?
Stop.
Bro, you put it on too tight.
Well, guess what?
And you trying to say I scratched you? You ain't got no damn nails to scratch you.
No, I didn't say you scratched my arm.
You did. You said I hit you. How
You
I hit
punched
you
me in my
long ago?
face.
I did not punch you in your face. Why is you lying?
I'm not lying.
You is not how I punch you
Okay.
in your face. You don't make.
All right, good. Go. Everybody meet there. Everybody
I didn't do nothing. Them people wanted to take me to jail for no reason. Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy. Oh, my mama.
Okay. All right. She didn't make contact, so no battery was charged. Okay. Wow. Woo wee. This was insane here. This was insane. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, man. Apple don't fall far from the tree, man. This is why the kids, you got the next generations acting like this, man, because the parents act like that. They, you know, now that the mom is in the back of the cop car, now she talking about, I was coming down to see why my kid was acting like that or whatever. But that's not what you was saying, though. You was saying you don't give a crap about the police, you boasting up about the police. I thinking you about to fight the police. I know them officers felt in fear for their life. They felt in fear for their life, you know? Whew. You know what I'm saying? That's an easy one. Like, come on now. Come on now. It could get like that. You know what I'm saying? You got to be real easy. Be real easy. Anyway, I think the officers did a good job, man. I'm giving them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.